Stay tuned as we explore the causes, symptoms, and preventive measures to combat influenza. Imagine every cough, every sneeze, and casual conversations as potential vehicles for spreading influenza. The virus is transmitted through tiny droplets in the air, invisible yet potent in their reach. These droplets can travel through offices, schools, and homes, making the flu highly contagious. Frequently touched surfaces like door handles, shared devices, or public transport handrails are also common sources where the virus waits to infect its next host.